Hello and welcome to Turner Time Tutorials. This video is on how to send a contact as a vCard on your iPad. If you'd like to share the details of a contact that you have on your iPad or iPhone, you can send it to someone as a vCard via email or text message. It's just like sending an electronic business card with all the information of the contact. You want to go into your contacts, tap your contacts icon. We're going to navigate to the desired contact by using the search field. So tap inside the search field and type in the first few letters of their first name and the first few letters of their last name. Tap on that contact, and as you can see, it's open on this side. Toward the bottom, there's a button called Share Contact. Tap Share Contact. It's going to ask you how you'd like to send it. I'm going to show the example of sending it via email. So I'm going to tap Email. A new email message is going to open. The contact is attached as a vCard, and all I need to do is fill in the appropriate information in the To field. And if I'd like to type in, I can type in any information I'd like to include in the body of the email, and then you'll just go ahead and send the email as normal. The email will arrive to the recipient, and they can double click on the contact in their email and easily add it to their email program and their contacts. They can also open the contact on their iPad or iPhone and add the information in the vCard to their contacts file. So as you can see, it's quite easy to send a contact as a vCard on your iPad or iPhone. If you have any questions, please email info@getturnertime.com. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.